In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to use the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution to fade in your hyperpigmentation, your dark spots, your body discoloration, your dark armpit, dark inner thigh, and the things you need to avoid when using the Ordinary Glycolic Acid. So you want to keep watching this video. In case you are here for the first time, hi, my name is Adetutu. In this channel, I talk about skincare, hair care, and self-care rituals that really work. So my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for coming back. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So this the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution is contains 7% of glycolic acid. And as we all know that glycolic acid is one of the alpha hydroxy acid known as the AHAs. We have different types of alpha hydroxy acid. We have the mandelic acid, we have the lactic acid, and this glycolic acid, and so on. Okay, and also this glycolic acid is the smallest molecule, is the smallest of all the alpha hydroxy acid. Because it has smallest molecule, it has a smaller molecule, it penetrates deeper into the skin. So if you have a dry and a sensitive skin, you don't want to use this the ordinary glycolic acid. Why? Because it penetrates deeper, it can cause dryness and irritate the skin a little bit. So if you have dry skin and sensitive skin, you are best to use lactic or mandelic acid. So this the ordinary glycolic acid, let's talk about the key ingredients inside this the ordinary glycolic acid. It contains Tasmania pepperberry, it contains ginseng root extract, it contains aloe vera. These three ingredients are going to soothe and hydrate the skin for you. And also it contains amino acid, which is going to strengthen the skin barrier. So it is very good, this product. And this is a chemical exfoliant. It is going to gently exfoliate your skin, removing the dead skin cells by revealing a new sharp and radiant look for you. So maybe the reason why you are having dull skin is because you are not exfoliating your skin enough. This product, if you have a dull skin, it is going to gently exfoliate your skin, removing the dead skin cell that is causing dullness of the skin for you, making you have that even skin tone and revealing your new radiant sharp look for you. It is going to help you fade in your hyperpigmentation, your dark spots. It helps the cell turnover and stimulate your skin texture. So in case you have a bumpy skin, you have a rough skin, this product is going to even out your skin tone and also help you with your textured skin. Okay, so how do you use this product? Make sure you are using this product 3 times maximum in a week. Okay, maximum you can go is 3 times. Okay, so use it under your SPF if you want to use it during the day. If you want to use it during the day, make sure you are using it under your SPF. And the time you can use this product, the best time you can use it is only at night time. Let it be in your nighttime routine. Don't use it during the day because this product make your skin sensitive to the sun. And I know most people out there don't reapply their sunscreen. So in case your sunscreen wear off and you are still under the sun, you can see that it is still going to affect your skin, which is going to make your skin sensitive to the sun, which is going to make your skin sensitive to the sun, causing sunburn. And we don't want that. Okay, so because we want to use it to tackle some areas, some pigmented areas in our body, so we don't want to add to the problem we already have. So you don't want to be using it during the day. Use it at night time. And if you are using this product, make sure you are using a good hydrating moisturizer because of the dryness it causes. Make sure you are using a good moisturizer that is going to hydrate your skin for you. If you want to apply it on your skin, get that the ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution. This one, put it in your cotton pad. I'm going to put demo on the screen for you guys to see what I am actually telling you. Put it into a cotton pad. Then after you put it in a cotton pad, use it to exfoliate, gently exfoliate your face. So it is going by doing this 3 times in a week. Do it 3 times this week, 3 times next week, and you are going to see the result because this product is so fast. Like you are going to see the result. It is so potent. You are going to see the result within 2 weeks. Okay, so by doing this, you are going to exfoliate all the dead skin cells on your face. If you have a sunburn, if you have dark spot, it is going to exfoliate them. So now, what can you use the ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution for? One, you can use it for uneven skin tone. If you have uneven skin tone, you can use it for it. If you have hyperpigmentation, you can definitely use this product. If you have keratosis pilaris chicken skin, you can definitely use this product as well. You can use it for ingrowth hairs. In case you have bumpy skin, you have all these razor bumps, it is good for razor bumps. in case you shaved and you have razor bumps after, you can use this product to exfoliate your skin. I'm going to teach you guys how to use that, so you need to keep watching, okay? You can use it for your scalp. That is, if you have dandruff, you can use it for that. It is so good. I'm going to put the demo of everything on the screen for you to see. You are going to see some demonstration that I'm going to do for you. You'll be seeing them on the screen as I'm saying it, okay? You can use it for dark armpits. If you have dark armpits, see, I was having a very, very dark armpit and I was always ashamed. But I can't raise up my hands in the public. With the help of this, the ordinary glycolic acid, it actually, see, it actually helps me with my dark armpit. I'm going to show you the before of my dark armpit and the after of my dark armpit so you guys can see what I am talking about. Okay, so it helps me with my dark armpit. It's even out that area for me. Your dark elbow, those dark area, those pigmented area on your skin, put this deodorant with glycolic acid 7% toning solution there, and you are going to see the result. It's going to even out your skin tone and lighten up those areas for you. For fine lines and wrinkles, if you're already seeing signs of aging, maybe you are not exfoliating your skin, that is why you're already seeing the signs of aging due to due to the sun exposure that you are exposed to. So by using this the ordinary glycolic acid, it is going to help you with your fine lines and your wrinkles as well. So this product is so good. I just love it so much. Now, how do you use this product? I'm going to show you. See, get this bottle. I think I'm showing you already. Get a bottle and get the bottle. Put this the ordinary, I've told you about how to use it on your face. A cotton pad, then put your glycolic acid inside that cotton pad. Use it to gently exfoliate your skin. So for those dark area, those pigmented area, like your dark armpit, your dark elbow, your dark nail, get a spray bottle that you can spray. Put the ordinary glycolic acid. I'm not saying you should put everything. Put small amount inside that thing. Then the make sure the bottle will be able to spray very well. Then after you've put it inside that bottle, then spray it to those pigmented area on your skin, like your dark armpit. Spray it there. I'm going to put the demo on the screen for you guys to see. Leave it to dry out. Leave that place to dry out. After it has dried out, get a moisturizer and moisturize that place. Then go to bed and sleep. Always do this routine at night. This is the time you can have the time to pamper that area. To do this for 2 weeks, and you're going to thank me later. You are going to definitely get the result, and spray it on those like your dark your elbow, your dark knee. Spray it there and gently use your hand to massage it inside. Use it to massage and let them dry and moisturize that. For your dandruff, if you have washed your hair, get this the ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution. Spray it on your put it on your hair, put it on your hair area. It is going to kill the sorry, put it on your hair and allow it to dry, then moisturize your hair. The next time you are not going as in you are going to say bye bye to dandruff. So it is going to help you a lot. It is so good. So now that you now know how to use the ordinary glycolic acid for those pigmented area, now the things you need to avoid when using the ordinary glycolic acid, this is very, very important and it is very crucial. Okay, one, don't use this the ordinary glycolic acid with retinol. If you are using retinol, don't use the ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution with retinol. Two, don't use it with vitamin C. Three, don't use it with niacinamide. Four, don't use it with benzoyl peroxide. Five, don't use it with other BHAs and AHs. Don't use it with other AHs like the lactic acid I mentioned, mandelic acid I mentioned. Don't use it with them together with it, and don't use it with BHA. The reason why they said don't use it with all these things is number one, it can cause irritation. Number two, it might be you are over exfoliating your skin. Because let's take for example retinol. Retinol is going to help your cell turnover and stimulate your skin texture as well, which is that is the work of what's it called? Glycolic acid as well. So it will be like you are over exfoliating your skin, which is going to disrupt your skin barrier. Okay, so it is good. Two, three, it is going to damage your skin barrier if you are using it with all these products. Okay, so it is going to disrupt your skin barrier. It is also going to cause irritation. It is going to make your skin more sensitive to the sun, which is going to cause sunburn, hyperpigmentation, melasma. So we don't want that here. Okay, and another thing, it is going to cause dryness of the skin. It is also going to cause dehydration of the skin, and we don't want that. It is going to irritate your skin. Another thing is it is going to disrupt your pH balance. Take for example, we have vitamin C and we also have glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is acid, it contains amino acid, and we also have, and most vitamin C are always formulated with L ascorbic acid, which is already highly potent in acid, okay, which is highly acidic already. Using these two together is going to reduce the efficacy of your product, which is going to disrupt your skin barrier, and we don't want that. Okay, so by doing this, make sure you are avoiding all these things. They are very, very important. What you need to do is alternate. If you have all these ingredients, if you have all these ingredients in your skincare routine, please alternate. Like you are using the ordinary glycolic acid this night, make sure you are not using any of these products. Then the next day, use your vitamin C in the morning under your SPF. If you must use your retinol, use your glycolic acid today. Then the third day, make sure you are using your retinol. Alternate them. Okay, it is good that way. You are going to get that visible result. So don't over exfoliate your skin. I hope you are getting that. Like now, you have retinol in your skincare routine. You don't want to be exfoliating every day. You want to exfoliate your skin at least maybe once or twice, because you already have another exfoliant in your skincare routine, because retinol is also like an exfoliant. So you don't want to disrupt your skin barrier. Okay, by doing this, you are definitely going to get the result. That is just it. Okay, so now if you want to do your glycolic acid routine, what you need to do is cleanse your face, use your glycolic acid, moisturize your skin, and go to bed. That is it. If you want to do the routine on glycolic acid, okay? So that is just it. Make sure you're always wearing your sunscreen if you are using all these ingredients, like even retinol. All these things are going to make your skin sensitive to the sun, okay? Don't go under the sun too much. If you must go under the sun, wear a good protective cloth. Use umbrella if you must use. Use face cap if you must use, okay? Wear something that is going to cover your skin to get that even skin tone. This sun that we are seeing, this UV rays problem, it is attacking our skin so badly, and we don't want that. Okay, and studies have shown that about 70% of skin aging is caused by the sun damage, and we don't want that, girl. We don't want that here. We want that youthful, glowing, radiant, and that's elegant skin, so guys, I hope you found this helpful. If you do so, please kindly hit that subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section if you have used the ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution before, and what did you see, what it was the result, how did you see the result. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Till then, remain blessed and stay safe. Okay, bye.